G'day team, it's Edward here from Magills Butchery in Taumuru.
And I'm Fiona from Beef and Lamb, New Zealand.
Today we're going to be making a Reuben sandwich, traditionally made with corned beef. We are going to be subbing that out for our delicious pulled lamb.
And remember that New Zealand lamb is a really high quality protein, so this makes a great option to bring to the Reuben sandwich.
Right, let's get into it guys. We've preheated the oven to 180 and we've got our ingredients in front of us. We have our pulled lamb, our sauerkraut, Swiss cheese, butter, a little sauce that we've previously made, which is aioli and Dijon mustard, and our beautiful loaf of rye bread. First, heat the pulled lamb and give it a stir through. Then lightly butter the rye bread. Evenly spread the pulled lamb and place a slice of Swiss cheese and some sauerkraut.
New Zealand lamb and sauerkraut make a great combination. Sauerkraut is a fermented food, so it means it's great for your digestion and gut health.
Mix together some Dijon mustard and aioli and pop the other slice of bread on top. Pop it in the oven for 10 minutes. Awesome, there we go guys, another quick and easy recipe from Magills and Beef and Lamb NZ. This is an easy one, you can eat it whole or you can cut it up smaller if you'd like.
And for more meal ideas, visit recipes.co.nz or check out Magills Butchery and Beef and Lamb New Zealand's Instagram, Facebook and YouTube.